Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here to talk about the IELTS writing task, a critical part of the IELTS exam that evaluates your ability to present clear, coherent, and well-supported arguments in English. Understanding this task and how to approach it is key to achieving a good band score. IELTS writing task 2 requires you to write an essay in response to a specific question. You will be asked to express your opinion, discuss advantages and disadvantages, purpose, solutions, or evaluate arguments. You are expected to write at least 250 words and you will have around 40 minutes to do. So, how do we approach this? First, understand the question. Take a moment to analyze the type of a question you are dealing with. Is it asking for your opinion? Are you being asked to discuss both the sides of an argument? Or is it asking you to suggest solution to a problem? Clarifying this in your mind will help you stay focused. Next, plan your essay. Many students skip this step, but it is essential. Before you start writing, organize your thoughts, identify your key points and examples. Think about how you will structure your essay. Introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. A clear plan will save you time and ensure your ideas flow logically. When writing your essay, start with a strong introduction. Paraphrase the question to show you understand it and clearly state your position or outline the points you will discuss. For the body paragraph, develop each idea clearly. Make sure to provide relevant examples or evidence to support your argument. Use linking words such as however, on the other hand, or therefore to connect your ideas and make your essay more cohesive. Finally, wrap up with a conclusion that summarizes your main points and restates your position. If required, avoid introducing new ideas here. This is a summary, not a continuation of an argument. Now, a few important tips to remember. Answer the question fully. Stay on a topic and address every part of the question. Stay within the word limit. Aim for at least 250 words, but avoid writing too much as this may cause you to go off topic or make grammatical errors. Use a range of vocabulary and a sentence structure. This will show the examiner your linguistic ability. Be careful with your grammar accurate. Grammar and pronunciation are just as important as the ideas you are present. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the more confident and efficient you will become. In conclusion, I can say the task 2 is the test of not just your English proficiency but your ability to communicate ideas clearly and logically. With a careful planning, good time management and a lot of practice, you can excel in this task. Ready to take the next step toward your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.